Alright, my people, I greet you all with better stuff out right here. Please share this video. While you celebrate. You don't know what this is. Celebrate. Please share this video. Please share this video. Yes, so I want to talk. Mama a lot of things they want to talk. We'll start on this. We'll start go this January. About our palace. I greet you now with better style. I'll share video now. Straight down to the Benin Traditional Council, to the palace at large. Because we're going to talk about our queen in the palace today. Oh, I don't my drink. Who are right there? Nala, who not make a video now? If you have to do some more, I don't have one. No doubt, even the agua cannot can. So I'm going to use Benin, my dialect, to cure this issue. No, boy. Why don't you you put a good neguayena do? Didn't want to water, huh? Yeah, better do one. In the moment, share the video. Yeah, they're going to even though don't tell you know, when I don't say, oh, you're back. Why will I don't say, oh, you're back? You're going. Since we are wow, who had you are going? Oh, you know, you take it and wear some money. Two rats of Baba, who you are banning about, and New York man want to give it to. Why don't you hold? I will give you the second. Oh, Salomon, don't give up. Ekman, no one. Share the video, begin to share this video. We reserve a lot of things. Not be everything they bring on media. I don't know if you understand. Or it's too much big man with belly sokwa. Beautiful girl. Looking beautiful, lady. I was look. I will. Wow. Hello, my choices. I want to follow what you're with. All right. I don't want to waste time because it's going to be a short video. But please, guys, share this video. When I share this video so that my video will fall out. Because Iyego and his brother were there for Lagos. There's no computer. And they worry my page 3 days now. Iyego and the rest of all the social media live video presenters. I don't remember anyone. They say the smart. Can you imagine a whole people crowd that they gather to bring one person down because you want to talk truth? Oh, Basuwa. Well, you know what team of Yaku? Why we make boto? You may have in Yatamata, my book. All of all. Oh, Salobo, I need to not give me a diagmo. You don't end the life, man. Oh, what? It can be now. Share the video because now the share I go to pay them. Every time you money all dear with baby, what guy no singer. If you don't even have no one guess what guy walk on back near a great video now, you have one canna. What react me once say what talk baby at Muzomo. What here what let us say if not come what we what paying a men know you are from Victor, the men want to deliver the social media king, the social media kuban, the social media autonomous, the social media anymore, the social media akobisi. Hunda, if I was akobisi, it rock by me, my baba will smart. I don't my drink. I want you. Yes, my people agree to know better style. One moment, they expect to give it now. Oh no, man. No, what might be why. The Olori Nukpogene of Benin Kingdom, which you all know as the Queen Ewa of Benin. Oba Nukpogene, and one women no men were expect together. If you don't want to show you, this is making the third time I am coming out to address this woman in a very unique and traditional ways. Due to the custom and traditions of our kingdom, where we all came from. What do we do? Mo baba with the smile. It's time. No we not tianye I tianye. No we not naye ari na. No temata. Emi muya yiko. Emata ekmakon. No, it's not on Hamu or I'm women at her. Wow, damn you. Hello? Hello? All right, thank you very much. All right. If you do win la on you do agwan, system no concern on gwa. Hin agwan kan. Ni ye do gwan. Many characters sin e do hin agwan. Yebo. So wa down here. Iji mare nu wama gbe wai the Olori Nukpogene. Kino do TikTok. It is getting out of hand. If nobody will say it, menu menwa ya wa agwan kan 247. Anamieri yima e TikTok no ye na you okasu when we to ludobe. We miho oludo ipelebe zi ikwere. Ewi kemi no wiye hinye with TikTok. Ni vie do agunye de pastor I need to go. No, after this one I'll go to talk. After this live I'll go to talk. It's talking another somewhere. Yes. Yeah, you want up on the Facebook, you'll be at the talk. I some go. I think better go baby webo. I think what the your bow webo. No kungo a TikTok. They do a tiny rubbish. Child. Ojama kwada. Here one you put it down when I was here no sooner to talk with a platform no woman be why. The Oloinukpogene of Benin Kingdom. Why have you in the Hey, Baba with the smile. Are we not in the marriage there? Oh, you makba. Il a TikTok qui devrait venir sous nous. Les plateformes, les pages, les plateformes auraient TikTok aurait. Et non, on m'a dit di Oloinukpogene. Orina bekwame. Ununa nyame meti igwa. Mais ebi ni menu me won hia be certificate wu. Ugbeso se mi aje we se me ka sun won na stop. A platform owo ho ba na we. A hook up. Na namok bia no ku. Na namok no bia. A platform owo ho ba. Owo hen wa ogidi gan the second. O ba lo pa unu nekpo wa o ye kene madoyo. No you tete na we so one. O salobo no poke va we do here. Oh, Baba. But when you go, I'm your backbone. Wait, if you know my meal, my near seva. It can't go cry for the first time. In our walking wide the second. No woman be LY. The queen, no woman be LY. You Oloinukpogene ore do here. You know what you know do it talk on Emma. I call on Benin Traditional Council. They should look into this issue. Ekina no dona Emma huda we. Eramo vun iyame lao. Wa adam e hobi e do wa share video na. Eramo vun iyame lao. This is totally bad. Iye do so ni mwele de gboto rari ma won wa ni support wo rari po boyo de do make na ni amekera degiye ke do degi edo ti degiye ke wa ni ya le ya na degiye ke ya la ya ndo agume ya ndo afiu no bi gume we ari me no tegbe re o no gwe wa egun no gwe o ke Oloinukpogene egun ino ni ko we la fe TikTok. Because what? They are benefiting their stupidity from her. In our way, no. On my year, Ukpogeva, in a big Latian. Now, you address it. Doesn't mean where she cannot do whatever she like to bring shame and disgrace to the Benins. Now the Benin Traditional Council wa tota wa me yangu gwan kakabo. Unda ba fi olane. Okwodi masi yeti gagbin na me bitia wa adam e ho there is a reason why I'm talking now. Era mo fun yan me la wa adam e ho. Unda wo fe no ro wa ka be no ro bi ro wa. Obi eduma yakin. Mayate mofifesu Ogyomba, Ogyomba. A lot of peoples out there, a lot of Benins who respect the kingdom. They turn against the kingdom. They start insulting, throwing dirty their gutter mouths to their fathers. Boy, it's easy. What lead to that? Many of us does not know. Many of us does not know. Now, how can you imagine a prince, the queen of our kingdom, who goes to solo up about it talk? Do you know the network of our king? Go to Google. Yeah, Google the network of Oba Ewa the second. No, you are in a position now as the king, the richest king in Africa. Go on. As I talk now, carry your phone. Check Google. Who is the richest king in Africa? Go and check the position with Ewa Ogedigan on Aze. No go kanu Bogine. No na kinu do. Hikbelebe with TikTok. No ya we mani do buto, which I kicked against from the beginning. Now, Eyo Lodori here now. or you got be a guy who knew with talk. Or if you want to do, you do a 7 no man bar, and be a guy. Emma, wa. With talk. A live TikTok of always be social media. What have you do? I want to tell what time when you go. Yeah, we China. What I make Bonomaro, what I'm smagging or the ruin. I'll keep standing on my ground and saying the truth. Any cow him here. No get a mortgage do no ma. Any cow or him here. Agmoage. Agmoag backma. Enya hoy. I was waiting patiently. Let me see real Benin women, Benin men that will stand up on their feet and speak the truth. Nothing but the truth. Speak the truth against the atrocity. If you know magba, no wamagbe, or loin bogire not doing social media. I was waiting. I only saw one beautiful woman who speak the truth. No ye oriome ya yani. In our no. So I mock bad degemina. So over degemina, the woman came out and speak nothing but the truth. If you don't hear no any other person but Eva Candy. Eva Candy. Or in here, Eva Candy. Ya agwa le video ni do be wani vie do nu wa dan yo. Ini kak be ni. Edo wa o din amokia ma. No wa ga hogi menu menwa. Or decide or ti you okuna owe moment no. I will play you guys the video. Whatever. Video di mana pe wana ya copy e copy eba me hand will share video na. I will copy it and I will share it and I will play it for you guys to share. Why down with her? Ever Candy or video na. Yeah, tell me now when you bu ati o ogun ba nu wana sun we na buruwa. What down with her? I watched the video that I could because that is I don't want to offend anybody. Because the way I did the paro. Yaro yagbe. Paravejo should delete the video. Yeah, go all delete the video ni. Or also no me go memwa. Me luga. When me delete the video. Yeah, the video mark be. Or delete this content is no longer page request was not found. Now let me go to our page directly. Candy fan page. Right. Let's go to Candy fan page. Thank you. I don't see you. Thank you. Share the video. Tom, I hear what you talk. Thank you very much. I greet you. I appreciate. It's like this girl was blocked my page. That's only see I page my phone. Let's get it from this now.
Carry a head baby, you mean more boggy man. It's here, me. I remember say, imagine 11 years away. Again, I carry aqua cabin and I beg no better. I dog a man remark banner or till they never. Then every aqua can a mammy. A man to be a me more, oging a dog bottle. Abe man in me. No magi memobo kayo wamio nania e mani losari e weje e biya boy e doino no e me na video na ba lo funda e lady nania ye ya sete wa mo gbe me na yu ata le ba se ba ni e mani ka tene na iya e sa wetin agbo amo e yo wa oze e yan do iya to biya iya e mani ya wa mo gie do boto ani e kita ni ya uni ya yari osari e kuegie e do so kwa ni e ya gona uswe mani be gwa kana ebu e yan zele ebo yan ze ya ta we me ni ta wa mi na e be ni ya gwa i mama na gwa mo yo wara so every me oni me gwa ka e be very anani e watara e ogbadie no eyi me wa we me go over ni wa ya mi video na baba na mi o nda e me na ka bi aho do go mi egwe usun wa na ni me gwa kan and I did e me ya we mi I call ge ni jo me na be do aho e nda iya na send me so
Gunwe o mi laki you be vaya gunwe ni you be va gunwe you be vaya gunwe mi laki uzuogbe un kini ati mata o wa go ilege wa gbelege eyin na gbe eyin na sini mare ngani ka teme na you be va gunwe ni una gele mwegbe umwegbe ode mata nedo. Forget the beef between me and you. More carbon when I just social media. No, we might be why? Odwoze the social media. Odwoze the TikTok. You came out, you stupid woman. You came out and be insulting your generation. Naso ari o zange gbe wonu kere nsu we de neboro wa. We bie bi nu we je ba na police go. Una insult ra insult you we. Wana le mi wi wa. Wana gbolukoshi. Whatever you tell us, Janna, ain't I where, and I have to frustration and depression. Who sing you say, ain't I where, one year matter, what big way, Musalo, Arik Bogi. Because we remark Barokuna at all. If we are going to it's really hitting you deeply into your skull, into your bone marrow. Also, not anyone at all. When you guys see the truth, you clear the truth the way it is. Then you can only ask you, you can tell me, now make an active dollar. Why me why go why you baby? You think I give up with all those rubbish with a social media? Ekedemata Yonata, ili kudos in way. That is it. I'll give you that kudos no matter the beef between me and you. Ili kudos in way. But now me I don't agoy. No wama be why the queen why the Oloinukbogene of Benin Kingdom is totally getting it wrong on TikTok. The way she's going about on TikTok, she's bringing shame and disgrace to the kingdom. It's straight down. No two things about it. Aye botao, aye dota. If I nigga here do not, this is by no. If I nigga here do not, this is by no. After do, be no now because she will wait to TikTok. Oh yeah, vi go do TikTok. Yeah, be sagale ma yo TikTok. Ai me get TikTok okay, wow, gidi gan. Owo kan ba. O bodo pe unu nepo wa o. Me ke do 17 na. Ma mi owo kan ba wa o. Diawa, owo kan ma mi wa o. The only wife of Diawa ni ma wa hon wegeri is Queen Esther. Let Queen Esther. Uga miya with television. Una eti miya with television. Ukuna fo ya gunu. Eriyan ya mu gbe ya ingbe ne. Awo na adega kian. No mo magbe na nya come TikTok. No hina smile. Na we gbonu maro ya are. No temata o hamu. Enough of this nonsense. Then you will see outside people there and they will be throwing man to the kingdom. While the mothers who are inside the kingdom are becoming a nuisance on social media. Are participating absolutely abomination on social media. We are saying let's practice our custom and tradition. Who are supposed to be the good example to the tradition? Is it not the queen? How can the queen go to social media and be doing hookup? How can the queen of our kingdom be on TikTok, be talking about scratch, abomination to the land? Ila se fena send a message again. The Benin traditional council, you should let the Benin's know if it's against the kingdom or is for the kingdom. We should know because we don't know who is who. See, let me tell you guys one thing you gotta understand. I've been on this TikTok for some years now. I've been on Facebook for some years now. I know what place here. Your enemy will come to you as a friend. They will play with you, they will dine with you, they will eat with you just to get into your totals. Into your intestines, to know more things about you, how to carry you down. Owamagbe LY is becoming something else on TikTok. For we to secure our kingdom, secure our king, secure our royalty, Owamagbe should get out of TikTok. The rate Owamagbe are now on TikTok is getting out of hand. Here what you know. Only one. The other two wives, what would they see now for TikTok will know for LY wife. Now the two sisters. How many of you go feel bold use the hand hit chest? Say you know a son here. How many of you for this world? I'm not only saying for TikTok or Facebook. Go for use the hand hit chest. How many? Go say, he know the here. The ear don't hear worldwide of Benin Kingdom. Who know what hurt you back there where we are home or I'm your Facebook or I'm your TikTok? This is the mother of Benin. You don't see you can't see her. She's real to see. Those are women that practice tradition. Onogomagbe ari TikTok ya gbe sagele mayo ya nyakon le TikTok ni gbe ya re a queen of the kingdom, and you are expecting us to keep quiet when the man go on. Okwe de la kwe, e man before I see look begere ya vision. Man very strong now. Man had no die. Man we die as we speak now. I tear by them of face. We are still. I was when I exposed but the first one was in Benin. The reason why, because we declare him as the enemy of Benin kingdom. Erama vunya me la ho. Ebi ngeti do yi. O fe no ro wa, o ha me no ro ege bi ro wa. Owa need to be checked well. She need to be properly checked well. Mota, umemota. Womba mama na hiyo. Then when it don't wasaka. We have to say the way it is. The way that woman is going out of hand. This is making it total. And you don't expect to be joke or be friendly with her. Nake address her with Benin language. This same woman continue doing havoc. We have been addressing this issue with Benin language. The first time I addressed with Benin language, the second time I addressed with Benin language, she continued doing the same havoc. After addressing it, they will call me in Miami. Look at my we hear what you said. We will talk about it. And she's continuing this attitude. Now she's even doing the worst. She's even doing the worst before they bring a picture. They come out. They play some. They sagaran. We better say it the way it is. We better say it the way it is. And the Benin National Council have to do things immediately. They have to swing into action. This is no longer funny anymore. This is no longer funny anymore. See, walaho, ibiedo you saw why you wa kate egwa monobaredo abo kan ba kan wa to wa pe because me no ya mu me they only vomit in the room man lagnya so wala go meseta gwa you understand walaho ya kaka boy yin wa owo kan ya no wa gbe oloyin nupo gine wa ti e to order you know we TikTok ma what's in that one venia ona agba gbogi ha ni tele na ona agba gbogi ha ite na e wan ya ro we me hunde matagene in market because what any cow you know one Benin National Council you all knew what I said was true. What's in that girl in yagwa because you attack or second way and you girls will recall okay uvion bejomo ma mukpa mure ma gun kan. And that's the reason why I still come up again now. But this time around, oh, you know me where am I working now? Because the velocity of her coming out, bringing in people in on our TikTok, talking about connected that. No mind not going to explain. Eki no woman very do with TikTok now. Or if you be animal who, or if you wonia, or mo never be, or mo be ania with TikTok. Matter connecting time. Hook up. Even matter hook up the web. Who keep me who help you with TikTok. O go magbegi do with TikTok na kini gido e kisa we abole amabole guy. Owo kan why? Owo kan remain. Who does that? Who does that? And you expect me to quiet? Who does that? Not here, but not women. But the right thing has to be said at the right time. You not getting with the benam. May it be a go. You are telling you. Who those who have sense pick the sense side? Who does that? How can the wife of a king, a whole king of our that is it? Imagine where I get me again. Since Neddy Ade, I keep lock up. One my I keep calm. What's in that keep calm? I was waiting patiently for presenters to start talking. Now with Frankie, workers on the talo, work at the guan, in me and I could lock up. The other live video presenters. All the total the guan camera. Every minute when I'm one of them no back here. One of them I go back web. I go any cow. None of you guys talk about it. One on one. Every minute when I'm when I expect in the woman, I will never quiet. I told your mama Safian with Emila. A man book be your master laha. It is better you speak the truth and end it up than living in life of lies. A lot of great men today, they speak the truth and their names be written everywhere. Their history is written there. Emata, Ekbakon. Or why you are to talk your way hook up? Is that not a big slap to the beginnings? Is that not a big slap? Queen L.Y. That's her name. Queen L.Y. Why are you to talk? Yeah, be to talk about all of them. Logo. Ye logo na me you wa popular everywhere to talk. Iya agbe you to talk. Iya agbe hook up or you to talk. Queen is not doing hook up on TikTok. Yeni ya tired do ya tired. A shame and disgrace no man lagwani ari ene. E o ha mo gbe. E o ha me o gbe. Ama wota here ya tawe. Ama me ba e. O si na ya to zive TikTok. Wa dere kine ekino imehia si no ime rule we ni ya la TikTok yon kaladian then ya take TikTok osala jare paka you wanna me? Wow, watch. Yeah, what's your back on? Oh, me to talk about. Oh, second, do.
It's my money and personal data. I was that jack woman on Nike with questa ricetta.
Oh, I thought if you had to lose more. Every night, one way. Onion walking money, one canna. Don't do zip TikTok, no, you copy now TikTok. Game of one. I can now read over TikTok and move on one no. When they put it red do, whether Facebook, whether TikTok, and why I direct in it. About what do, about him, do TikTok. I can read do. I can't give me one, give me two. All you do with TikTok, we do. We need traditional council. Wallaho. What here to order? Wagwaka because everyone is a very big threat to Benin that many of you does not know. What's the nata? Any man go what a yo? If I'm of William and Lao, if you're going to Bonomaru, Rakate, I will own your back. Nima where I do. The only senior Kotora, Niano Zanke, Wonia Kiri. They are not using her now, but she didn't know. Innocent of her, she didn't know her standard. She didn't know her stage. She don't know her words as a queen. Most of the people that you see on our TikTok, because they are not Benin's. Yes. It's so unfortunately, it's so shocking to me when your mother, though she didn't know. Or my TikTok ya play, my Facebook ya play, she don't know. If you are a big year, or my now, they will play to her, they will bless her, they will give her words. No, what they made TikTok, me don't go canal. It might not soon because after Facebook Live, something must up inside. Control must come. Mama, I want to get your number. Mama, I want to buy your ring. I want to buy good. Oh, I do my dream. What to work by one. Edo, no wala ho. You saw boy me wa. I want to back. I will not see one to do all in once a do. Wala ho. Iji man now at here to order. Wagwegwan, a kinodona, onarima. Onarima, this is not fun. Onari phone. This is not fun. Very megwegwan of Gumerema, Yokoyowa. As Binima, Yokoyowa. And a sort of hand, one get a muta. My man, I'm out of time social media. Because I'm a Benin man, I'm a traditional man, I follow rules and regulation. And luckily for me, I married a Benin woman, a traditional woman. No hand lily, na lily do. No you be a talk, no you be a gyodu. No for she to go to TikTok and become what? If you don't give me here like. If you don't go all you give me no men why. Zebu body me give ye will tell you the social media worldwide. She will not try it. Because all you are that make home is so asking. He give me that respect as a husband. He said now he said the same respect they also give to me. Who does not stand and give me that respect as a traditional man already? Straight down. That is me for you. Ik be no kabiena. On your whatever book I did with our book. What is it? Tell her no yahiri. That dog no yahiri. Let me yahi luga. Hello, I talk to I greet you. You're not the speaker. No wala. No wala. Alright, no problem. No problem. No problem. Yeah. So, yeah, last if now why you wa. Benin traditional castle. Okay, I'm back here. I work on body be the gua. I work on body go bad dollar do you. So one of the bawa. Who are tall? Medical see or when I see one to do all in once I do. Car up on one family where I go. You know, you want where you go battle do you. I think if you are any car, no team watching. But I do get Ugigwe, Jericho, Cape Bayana. What here was sell be allowed out army. Yeah, where in Atarania. Because why? I know where program is already on ground as custom and traditions demand. I'm a man ugi. Okay, now here no get edu kide ya say bono dine. Waya was the ngwa ya supu oso ene ngwa ya lagbara. Na la gogo na mi amia. Waya emo matnare. Amene makon ka si zogui. Amene makon o ka si zogui. Oh ya emo matna la dia akemi wa la pogbon because ya when you see ya so pogbon you know when it's going to happen. When it happen. When it happen. Oh see na zi gbe now. You know when is get time now guys as the hot no turn is get girl to no roto. No roto because I give la pogbon ya yimita. agaje la pokpon ne ya ye gbe mo mi na re ta nika we ma wa no do event wa han ya we ge kina wo ki odi ma do we TikTok no wa ma gbe olo inu pogene e kina do we TikTok e do mu mo wa ni irio a traditional council awo kan ba kan wo no wa gun kan onari ma iri atu agbo ifia no wala go no wa gun kan ruda we eni so suru ne deso ana mi gara ko bia kame ana ya gi hu gi wada ri go na ya settle lawyer settle judge the Germany no ya ye gbe kan go money ge mo fi face wo kan that day or that day gbo mo ro that day menu men wona la jan so ale le kan working on na oze no madeyo akemi wi mani ye do ni bunre we bunre so bi jan no wana we ma kwani bu latia wana we do o ya yasin yan wa afun ale lian kan ni bu tie be yan we yan go mani do ro ni do ro ye yan do vision e yan ro ye wa ro ye system no wa sun ma ga lu ma geta ya wo wota yo u kora fe fo ma obi go ese ma yiko we no bo se mu do to also na we na yimudia zewa no nwa bwa kate menu men wona ka fio wela egwani I do hongo nwa ni meji evi je me ku sawo ba gidan o do yu fi no bi do afi no bi gi wona ko amade yo so ko ba no aga dere mi nema u pe me no ni ta ra we di ya hire no we ina dere mi no ma kodia it's my right to say it zeri no wa sun no ye gbe ya kan re no wo ma gbe e wa ina o lo inu pogene ogedo e kino do bi TikTok na la wa la wo abo kan ba kan wo wa kan mata na nare le gboku e wa pe no ita wa dina nare le gboku e wa ni ye gbe ya give ni ya we giri ni ye gbe we giri me ya do gbe kini ga ni do TikTok na na mo gbe no ko mo kunu gbe me ma mo ku marason me mu no kini gbe me ania me na mu na wa me mo ku be ka bu ne gbe me ne e so ro no me mo ku o ai ga wo ko ni me ma de we na ho no ya do ya gbo yo asa ga gbo yo ni because ke ni ye ge wo na ma na wa so do ma emi na mi internet ni hi o so ya mi mu owo kan ba oriri no kwa no it's not supposed to be seen anyhow, rather communicating anyhow, saying all manner of words that are not supposed to be said by her. I do a hem or give no matter no he. Me a bought your give should be that way I let. Can you do it to talk? Which is very bad. Every now we hope. Everything you know me na attack because why also about we do forbid. When I'm boy see mo ma wala ho you so boy you okba no ko no mo ge do we no ma e video no ma ge segwa video you na to me ave fia o you na we video egi bet wa ge segwa am wala ho wa gbon je no keke o ko no wa tie to da e kino do na yi ma eyan pa wo kan ba we talking about the fourth wife, the fourth, my first, my second, my third, number 4. O ki an do ari ozage gwa mi no gba wala ho e mi no gba beni me gwe wona the esonnerie of Benin Kingdom ima on ba o ima e picture me am picture me mo yi profile me ima e picture sonnerie the first wife of our king. A picture of Imao. The second wife, Imao. I don't know it. Bagina, what me go over here, never know what could on the third and this last one. That becomes something else on media. You got to go and work on it. It's very important. You didn't tell me now say, "What to work baby do?" The way both one or good no worry by. Ni tasibo wari la wa. Ni ma tasibo wari ye for because why? O yaya si yo wa. I mean no do we agbira no gogo because I no kwoni you but me I'm not happy. Due to where enegwa oriro ugbori no waron. O sie ene so ron ma tita o man giata. Hunda we owo kan ye mu yeku eyin vie kwera ko. Egwaba oriri gedegbe no. Nere soro da woda you no kalo ati you no kan. Room de ni soro na ha keep de na we. Ila se fe na emi. Aba kan ba kan wo. Veni we tak men na. Wari emu no ru we no wa ya we bi. No wa tie olo inu pogine to order because no sunu na gesu say munda we na do mie we bi so ado asunu mani yoba no keke no mwe dada ya asu siri ma do bi egbe ni ya livi because why we no that day na we na e ki o ina wani bu wa gba o ma concern gba nya ta media media emi na dere bi dero ma de yo upi ma no ni ma ta no ye e na TV we ye bi BS ye bi den tie ye eri ma me ye ma na dere sa TV BS ITV BS a pay yan ya ke do ado ke nya do ma na pay ma e ma na si yo sege na do uji no gwa no gwebe okay ke no wa agwe ma because why my amigo obey a politician or a government or a traditional rulers ya tema ta ya ta bi ma dere no ma de yo for that si policy wala wa he so di ma ta wa dere ma ta ro wa solve mo pa e ma ni bunde so jobi da di gun a ni we tell no le gba na ni we sie plan mi asi o se gine do na we dere video ni ave munanya wala ho ikmero kan bi na you so boy mi wa ya fe aba kan ba kan wa ato iyen wugi wa de bo dia wa iwo na wa wo se so kun pa no a video na wa walk towards it I am here where o kiri ma o kiri le no do na e yon pa o no regwa she cannot tell me she's so much depressed to the extent of going to TikTok Yahweh hook up. It is totally bad. I want you understand? Wala wo solo boy mi wa here ni be guy video mi wa to mi na gumu wa mu senu wa ho wani watch video na wani be direct no ko ni do no ma like no ma share Allah go da wa mi o e mo ta pa kun yen wo no te mo ta mi mo yo yiko be na we China wa be show no se ke di image ya ga kan because ni bunwo ya ga TikTok ra ya me na data be phone ya ti 500 1000 euro your phone ya call on ya call okay no ya ga TikTok ga Facebook ya me ga ni ya ga TikTok na ni bu wa ni bu wa bi you understand so wala ho mana ni be dege uku mana ni ma mu latian si so iri egbe la ja pe tuge pe ni meje ni a i my Facebook oge iye do hia i my TikTok oge iye do hia i my Instagram oge iye do hia do re Facebook o do re TikTok o do re Instagram o me no me ma he you understand i my you know the reason why oh it's a traditional woman. The same thing with Esther Ediawa. My Facebook or you understand? I don't know. Okay, then why you not call Facebook back? What they working why? What's on Nakma? Number 4th wife. Nyanga. Wow, you understand? If we money boom, here case folk be abo all logo. If we money manari ye you wa money marry you why yes folk be abo. Oyo be agu he. Amai wo rima. Owo o salo bonu po give away do here. Ala how wo gari mi. Wa to wa be wa to ina mo agbe. Eri ata se me benye mokin. Wa kin ase pe.